guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe, here to share with you my sweet and spicy chicken wings. Yes, this is going to be an awesome one, guys. So guys, we're just gonna go in with about a tablespoon each of our seasoning, and here I have some onion powder mixed with garlic powder, and I'm just going to put that on my chicken wings and some in the flour. So here we have some flour as well, and I'm going in with my Maggi chicken season also in my flour, some black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper, some chicken seasoning, some Maggi all-purpose, and I'm using like 1 tablespoon for the chicken wings and about half tablespoon for the flour. And here I'm going to be adding some garlic salt, and this garlic salt is mixed with parsley. If you don't have this one, you can just add some herbs. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine the seasoning in the flour and also the seasoning on our chicken. So let's go in and rub this in nicely. And I already have some oil on the stove. If you have a fryer, you can use the fryer as well. Lovely. Now we're gonna combine the flour. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna coat our chicken in our flour mixture. So now it's become a breading since we already add our seasoning. I'm just gonna dump everything in. Just like this. And we're gonna make sure that you coat them nicely and press in that flour. And after we fry these guys, we're going to prepare our sweet and spicy sauce. So you want to give this like about 6 fold and press. I don't know, you're just going to dust off the excess flour like so. Okay guys, so now we're gonna add our chicken pieces to the oil. You wanna make sure that your oil is at the right temperature. I'm doing this on medium high. You can always reduce the heat after about 2 minutes. Okay guys, so while our chicken is frying, we are going to prepare our sweet and spicy sauce. So here guys, I have some hot sauce. Unfortunately, I don't have a video on how to prepare this hot sauce, but if you do need my recipe, just leave me a comment and I can share the recipe with you. Optionally, you can use any hot sauce of your choice. So we're just gonna dump that, and I'm using about half cup of my homemade hot sauce, and I'm going to add just like half teaspoon or I would say 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm using this sweet and sour sauce. I'm using about 3 or 4 tablespoons. Just enough. You want to make enough to cover your chicken, guys, okay? So I think that is enough. And optionally, I'll be adding some brown cane sugar. You don't have to add this. And in my pepper, I already have some vinegar, and I'm adding about a tablespoon of brown sugar, and you're just gonna combine all of this together. So it is looking as if it's not enough, so I'm going to add some more of my sweet and sour sauce and some more of the soy sauce. And we're just gonna combine this together. Now this is looking absolutely amazing, guys. I'm smelling that pepper. Oh my, smelling so good. So there you have it, guys. Ready for our chicken. So we're just gonna cover this down, and we're going to coat our chicken with this when our chickens are done frying. So we're just turning our chicken wings, guys. They're looking lovely. Okay guys, so I pulled my chicken wings from the oil. They are ready. So it's time to prepare our sauce. So over here I have my wok. I just have like half cup of water in here, and I'm going to pour the sauce that we prepared. And we are just going to allow this to start bubbling. Okay guys, so our sauce is ready. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put our chicken in the sauce. I was just gonna turn off the stove at this point. Okay guys, so you just want to make sure that you coat your chicken nicely. Remember to turn off the stove at this point. So carefully coat your chicken wings in that nice spicy sauce. And to garnish, guys, you can just cut some green onions to put on top. It is looking absolutely amazing, guys. It is ready. Please like, share, comment. If you're new to my channel, guys, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, stay safe.